Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I was going to make the chocolate chip cookies with coconut oil that I have on my blog, but then I remembered that I got this in a Degusta box a couple of months ago, and I told you guys when my kitchen got settled I was going to make them and show you how they come out because I've never made them. And these are by King Arthur flour. So I figured, well, let me make them and we'll see how they come out. What we need here is just 1 egg and a stick of butter. So we preheat the oven to 375. We need the electric mixer for this. So we just have to stir together the butter, the egg, the cookie mix, and then drop it onto a baking sheet. It only makes 2 dozen cookies, so this should be pretty easy. So let me get a bowl, and I'm just going to soften up the butter a little bit because that's really, really hard there. So let me get that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have my butter and egg in there. I'm just going to mix that up a little bit. Let's get the egg together, and now I'm going to open the box here. Here's the mix. Okay. Right, and now we're going to mix it up. Hopefully you can see now in the bowl. So a good amount of chocolate chips in it. I was going to add more, but it has a good amount of chocolate chips in there. I actually think it would be maybe a little overkill if you could. So we're just supposed to get this together till it's blended. I usually, like when I make the other chocolate chip cookies, I always use my mixer, so I'm just going to mix this a little bit more just to make sure we don't have any lumps of flour or anything in there. Okay, all we do is drop these by rounded tablespoonfuls onto a ungreased baking sheet, 3 inches apart. We're going to bake for, it says 12 to 16 minutes. I tend to go like 10 and see what it is, especially since I have new ovens and everything because my kitchen's new, so I've got to get used to them. And then we're going to cool them, and they should be, if you want chewy, it says add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you want crunchy, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and if you want cakey, add 2 tablespoons of milk. So let's put the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in. Okay. Okay, I want to get my cookie scoop and cookie tray. So we're going to just put this dozen right into the oven. As soon as it's ready, it's just about ready. It's 357 degrees, it has to be 375. I put it in, I'm going to bake them for 10 minutes. Let me see, what does it say on my box for chewy? It's 14, but like I said, I'm going to bake them for 10, take a look and see where we're at, okay? Okay, so this is, I did the 10 minutes, they need a little bit more, so then, when you open the oven door and close it, you can never get a real accurate thing. So the next batch, I'm going to leave them for 12 minutes and I'll see, but I'm going to take these and let them cool on a rack, and then I will be back and show you the end results. Okay, so here they are out of the oven. Just that I let bake the extra time right away. They came out a little darker, but I like them more like the lighter kind, so the lighter color. Now they are soft and they are chewy. You want to make something fast. I usually like to bake from scratch when I do, but this would be a good mix to use, and I think it's one of probably the healthier mixes if you use that, and that again would be the King Arthur Flour Essentials, everyone's favorite chocolate chip cookie. It is a really nice, good tasting cookie. So, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you could, because YouTube is really coming down hard on small creators, and I'd like to get my subscribers up to at least 1,000, and I need you guys' help for that. So thanks so much. Have a great time, and hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.